Is the space under your sink a cluttered mess that's wasting your time every day? You're not alone. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best under-sink organizers that can instantly transform your kitchen with smarter storage and easier access to everyday essentials. Whether you're dealing with cleaning supplies, cookware, or limited cabinet space, there's a perfect solution waiting for you. And make sure you stay until our number 3 pick. It features a clever pull-out design that could save you valuable time and make your daily routine much more efficient. Let's dive in and find the perfect organizer for your home. Number 5, Kitsterack Under Sink Organizer. A messy cabinet under the sink can make simple cleaning tasks more frustrating than they need to be. This under-sink organizer helps turn that cluttered space into a well-organized storage area, making it easier to find everything at a glance. Its sturdy metal construction is designed for long-lasting durability, while the adjustable shelves create room around plumbing and fit a variety of household items. The open design improves visibility and keeps cleaning supplies, toiletries, and kitchen essentials neatly arranged. Whether you're organizing a kitchen, bathroom, or laundry room, this organizer offers a practical way to maximize and use space. Overall, it's a reliable storage solution that combines strength, flexibility, and everyday convenience. Number 4, Kitsterack Under Sink Organizer. If your under-sink cabinet is filled with bottles, sponges, and cleaning products, staying organized can feel nearly impossible. This organizer provides a simple solution by creating multiple storage levels that keep everything neat and within easy reach. Built with a durable metal frame, it offers excellent stability for daily use while making better use of vertical cabinet space. The adjustable design allows it to fit around pipes and accommodate items of different heights, making it suitable for a variety of storage needs. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and utility rooms, it helps reduce clutter without taking up extra space. It's a smart investment for anyone looking to improve organization effortlessly. Number 3, Under Sink Organizer 2-pack 3-tier thickened metal pull-out limited cabinet space often leads to clutter, making it difficult to reach the items you use every day. This 3-tier pull-out organizer solves that problem by creating organized storage while allowing smooth access to everything inside. The durable thickened metal frame is designed to support heavier household products, and the sliding shelves make it easy to grab bottles, containers, or cleaning supplies without digging through the cabinet. The multi-tier design maximizes vertical space, helping you store more without sacrificing accessibility. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, this organizer keeps daily essentials neatly arranged. Overall, it delivers excellent storage capacity, convenience, and long-lasting performance for busy households. Number 2, J-Part Under Sink Organizer. Searching through a crowded cabinet wastes time and makes everyday chores more difficult than they should be. This under-sink organizer creates a cleaner, more efficient storage system by giving every item its own place. Its sturdy metal construction is built to handle daily use, while the spacious multi-level design helps maximize cabinet space without making it feel cramped. The open layout allows quick visibility, so cleaning products, toiletries, and household supplies are always easy to find. Its simple installation and practical design make it a great choice for almost any home. Whether you're organizing a kitchen or bathroom, this organizer offers dependable performance and a noticeable improvement in everyday convenience. Number 1, LYNK Professional Pull-Out Under-Sink Kitchen Cabinet Organizer. Reaching items stored at the back of an under-sink cabinet can be frustrating, especially when everything is packed tightly together. This pull-out organizer eliminates that hassle with a smooth sliding shelf that brings everything within easy reach. Its heavy-duty steel construction provides outstanding durability and stability, making it suitable for storing cleaning products, cookware, or other household essentials. The premium pull-out mechanism glides effortlessly, helping you access items quickly while keeping the cabinet neat and organized. Designed for homeowners who value quality and convenience, it transforms unused cabinet space into an efficient storage solution. Overall, it's a premium organizer that combines strength, functionality, and long-term reliability for a cleaner, more organized kitchen. And that's our countdown of the top 5 best under-sink organizers. We hope this video helped you discover the perfect solution to keep your kitchen cleaner, more organized, and easier to use every day. If one of these organizers caught your attention, be sure to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.